Malabar Boat Owners and Sea Rescue Club. Full Member Orientation Guide. Welcome to the club. As a full member, you are part of a community that values safety, cooperation, and respect for shared space. This guide outlines the key responsibilities, procedures, and expectations to keep our club running smoothly and safely. First, gate access and security. Always close and lock the gate after entering or exiting. Do not allow non-members access under any circumstances. Never lend your key or share access codes with non-members. If someone follows you in, confirm they are a current member. Security depends on strict adherence to access protocols. 2. Parking and unloading. Use the designated unloading zone only for preparing or unloading your boat. Move your vehicle to the correct parking area immediately after unloading. Always use the correct side of the skids when launching or retrieving your boat to ensure smooth flow and prevent damage. 3. Trolley requirements. All boats must be fitted to a suitable trolley. Trolleys are required for launching and retrieval, no exceptions. 4. Shed operation power switch must be turned on before use. Familiarize yourself with the circuit breaker trip switch and how to reset it if needed. Turn off all lights and power before leaving. Lock the shed door at all times when unattended. 5. Water connection. Water is available via tap inside the shed. After use, always turn off the tap and neatly coil the hose. Ensure the shed is locked after use. 6. Winch operation. Confirm the power is on before use. If the winch fails, check the trip switch. If still not operational, contact the boat captain or a committee member via phone or WhatsApp. 7. Retrieval procedure. Ensure public is clear from the area. Securely hook the winch cable to the boat's bow. Place barriers if necessary to restrict public access during operation. Wear PPE, gloves are mandatory. 2-person retrieval. One person should hold and center the boat along the keel and align with yellow strips for minimal friction and smooth retrieval. The winch operator must engage the clutch properly. Guide the Dyneema/cable evenly onto the spool to avoid damage. Stop retrieval 2.5 meters before reaching the top. Failure to do so causes overrun and potential winch damage. If an overrun or issue occurs, try to fix it safely. If unresolved, contact the club immediately. Do not leave for the next member. Failure to report may result in a review of your membership. 8. Awareness of dogs and swimmers. Be alert to dogs and swimmers in the water or ramp area. Scan the water and surroundings before launching or retrieving. Politely ask for space if needed. Public safety is the top priority. 9. Boat launch. Ensure the area is clear. Be mindful of tides and local conditions before launch. 10th. Storm procedures. Monitor WhatsApp warning group, BIOM updates, and local knowledge. In the event of a storm, remove your boat from the skids. Store it on the designated grass area only. Return boats to the skids promptly once safe. 11th. Participation requirements. Full members are expected to contribute to Federation duties, assist with maintenance and upkeep, be actively involved in club activities. Note: this club is not a storage facility. Inactivity in fishing or lack of participation may lead to a membership review. 12. Consequences of non-compliance breaches of club rules, including security violations, non-participation storm procedure failures, may result in loss of access, boat removal suspension, or cancellation of membership. 12. Boat use and keys associates may use a member's boat only with written permission. Keys must never be copied, shared, or lent to non-members. 14th member. Acknowledgement and communication. You will be asked to sign off on the following documents. Storm waiver induction checklist. All full members must be part of the official WhatsApp group, which is essential for storm warnings, fishing events and competitions, general club communication meetings and updates, rules and regulations. These are mandatory for membership. Failure to join the group or respond to official club communications may result in your membership being withdrawn. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. We will now show you a video of the requirements of being a full member at Malabar Boat Owners and Sea Rescue Club. By following these guidelines, you help maintain a safe, efficient, and respectful club environment for everyone. Let's enjoy the water, fish safely and responsibly,